Hey y'all, it's your girl Prospect Monroe, and I'm back with another video. And my cousin slash twin requested me to come and help her do her Christmas village. This is the one that I was telling y'all about, the one that's like crazy about Christmas. But we're not gonna tell her we said that. She also told me to tell y'all don't talk about her outfit because she just looked like this for now. She thinks it's gonna look ghetto. I think it's gonna look nice. Maybe it'll be bougetto. But I'm just here to follow directions and help her make her vision come true. This is what we're working with. She has a lot of ideas. I think we could do a lot with this. I think it's gonna work out. But I'll basically show you guys the end result and you'll see how it goes. So we have lampposts, trees. This is supposed to be a farm. This is a general store, a toy village, a church, a cobble candy store. Some kids or some families playing in the snow. Park bench and lampposts. Somebody getting some logs for the house. More trees. Santa's mailbox, mail postal sky. Winter village Santa and directions and a snowman. And then we got the chickens for the farm.
The Lamborghini, the Maserati.
So we got the luxury whips. And this Oreo box, you might ask, what is this and what's the purpose? You ever been? This Oreo box is gonna serve as a slope for our lovely skiers you just met. And so we're gonna, dress this up and turn it into something. We got the blanket of snow for the top of the mountain. We got the fine snow in a jar. We have the cobblestone. What is this? Cobblestone mat?
Yeah,
mat.
That's the cobblestone.
We have the reindeer moss.
We don't know what we're doing with that yet. And there's always
What is that?
raccoons somewhere in somebody's yard.
That's a squirrel, not a raccoon.
Oh yeah, it is a squirrel.
So you got the squirrels trying to catch the acorns for the winter. And she has a bag full of stuff, more stuff. I told y'all she Christmas crazy, yo.
Double-sided tape,
LED.
blue light. I think I'm gonna use.
She's pulling out the characters.
Yeah, they're pretty much adorable with this car though. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, that car is cute.
We already seen Santa. Yes, there's gonna be multiple Santas, like they are in the mall. We got more benches and stuff. Now
Now this stuff is really getting ridiculous up here. Okay.
And I think you've already seen all these characters. But I've got some other colored lights that we're going to use. Oh, there we are. Got a red light. I don't know what I'm using that for. And a green light. We haven't figured that one out yet.
Red light, green light.
Yeah.
So yeah, see how like it looked kind of basic at first, and see the pile of stuff she just put on this table.
Oh, you guys have no idea.
Let's see how we come up. She says you have no idea. I told y'all she's crazy about Christmas.
And we got more. We got
Trucks, stop signs, speeds.
Maybe they'll pick up the reindeer moss. We'll figure it out. And
We got a
this.
sled station.
Yeah. We got a little bit more luxury cars. Y'all saw those. Okay. And we got some hungry bears over by the farm somewhere.
Oh yeah, somewhere in the wee hours. I mean, behind the mountain. Yeah.
And of course, I don't know what's gonna have the picket fence. They didn't have white, so brown it is.
Yeah. That's fine.
And a black family. Don't ask me about why the dad is whatever color he is. I don't know. Maybe he's black.
Interracial?
I'm not sure.
Interracial.
Yeah, but that baby look all the way black. You know, that's just
Interracial couples.
yeah.
That's idealistic.
And then I just got.
Oh my god.
I think that's all the new stuff that I've gotten pretty much. Yeah. So this will be my pool somewhere somehow. I'm gonna make it work.
Okay.
We're gonna figure it out.
Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Oh my god.
I think that's all the new stuff that I've gotten pretty much. Yeah. So this will be my pool somewhere somehow. I'm gonna make it work.
Okay.
We're gonna figure it out.
Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Of course, not only is she obsessed with Christmas, she's obsessed with Halloween. And so she had to get a witch for her Christmas. What it has to do, I would have much rather you get a Grinch. But she has a witch and some books, so we'll see what happens there.
Yeah.
When we told y'all about the Oreos and the slide, this is what we came up with. Look at that slide.
Oh.
So now this is like the snow back area. And we're gonna, we're gonna take it from here. We got the kids on the slope. We got the lampposts. We got the fake snow. We got the park bench and the lampposts. We have, none of these are gonna set in place. We're just trying to do what it do. Yeah, as we get everything ready, let me step back so you get an idea of what it looks like. So far, so good, and we still have more stuff. So far, this is what we came up with: a carousel. The kids playing on the ramp. This was the Oreo box, remember? I know the bears are playing way too close next to the farmers, but we always feel safer away from danger. The dad helping his daughter put up the star on the tree, on the town tree. We have a farm. We got chicken coop. We got a candy. We got the park bench looks really good there. We got the fire truck. We got Santa's truck. Greenhouse. This is the toy village. We got the mailman, the postman, and greenhouse. Yep, greenhouse. We got this stuff up. And imagine when everything. So far, this is what we came up with: a carousel. The kids playing on the ramp. This was the Oreo box, remember? I know the bears are playing way too close next to the farmers, but we always feel safer away from danger. The dad helping his daughter put up the star on the tree, on the town tree. We have a farm. We got chicken coop. We got a candy. We got the park bench looks really good there. We got the fire truck. We got Santa's truck. Greenhouse. This is the toy village. We got the mailman, the postman, and greenhouse. Yep, greenhouse. And imagine when everything. A couple hours later, we're still here trying to make the perfect Christmas village, and to be honest, it's looking really, really good, but we haven't even put the lights on yet, so I can imagine how good it's gonna look at the end. It really didn't take too long to do this. The witch is over here chilling with the bears. The kids are having so much fun on that ramp.
How did yours come out so bright?
I have the flash, yeah. That ramp is really nice. That's my favorite part.
I like the fence.
The fence is good too.
Yeah, I thought it would have been the greenhouse, but the fence is really, really good.
Catch all the details. Stop sign.
That don't leave me, eh? Burn my light ain't nowhere near that bright.
Are you on Snapchat?
Yeah.
You got the flash on?
Bruh.
we eventually got to the tree, and this is what we came up with.
Hold up, you didn't even throw in the scoop, Tina.